Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Reggae Girlz head coach Lorne Donaldson has expressed satisfaction with their dramatic last-minute 1-0 win over Paraguay in their friendly international at the Montego Bay Sports Complex in Catherine Hall on Thursday night. With the game seemingly headed for a 0-0 draw, defender Alison Swaby scored the all-important goal in time added for the Jamaicans.
Got to be satisfied to see the players working hard. That's the first satisfaction. Everybody came in. People are cramping because some of the players now again they're not used to the climate, But I'm satisfied that they figure a way how to get a result, how to get a win.
The teams will do battle again on Sunday in another friendly international, this time at the National Stadium. Of course, we'll have a full report on last night's game during Primetime Sports Friday. The battle for the top spot in Group B of the quarterfinal round in the Issa Manning Cup takes center stage today, with the many-time former champions Jamaica College and St. Andrew Technical doing battle at the Stadium East. After wins against Woolmer's Boys and Haile Selassie respectively, both teams secured their semi-final spots. JC need only a draw to top the group by virtue of their superior goal difference. In the last 4 meetings between the schools, JC holds a 3-1 advantage, including a win in at this stage in last season's competition. Meanwhile, the already eliminated Haile Selassie and Woolmer's Boys will battle at JC in preparation for the Walker Cup next week. Both matches are set to kick off at 3 p.m. A special prize money will be on offer to any local runner who breaks a course record at the annual Reggae Marathon, Half Marathon and 10K, which will be held over 3 days this year, starting on Friday, December 2 through to Sunday, December 4. The 22nd staging of the event will mark the return of in-person competition on the world-famous course in the Grill on December 4, starting at 7 a.m. The event was impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic and had resulted in virtual stagings over the last 2 years. A total of $1 million Jamaican dollars in cash and prizes will be on offer. Sean Pitter's 10K record of 29 minutes and 55 seconds is the only one of the 6 course records held by a Jamaican.
They would get double the prize money. This was, catalyzed by a runner who once said that if we doubled the prize money, he think that he would break the course record. But after many years, the course records are still in place.
Race director Alfred Francis also explained at the recent launch of the event in Kingston that nearly 1,000 overseas participants are expected this year.
This year, we'll have over 34 countries participating. We expect to have at least 1,500 runners participating, and we have big groups from the U.S. And also, let's remind everybody that these groups do bring a lot of persons with them, at maybe 2 to 1 when they come to Jamaica. So we expect to have a wonderful return to the in-person run, and
Right, let's head to Antigua now, where the Jamaica Scorpions will require 208 runs to defeat the Leeward Islands Hurricanes in their Cricket West Indies Super 50 return leg match at the Coolidge Cricket Ground. Earlier, the Hurricanes electing to bat were dismissed for 207 in 48.5 overs. Captain Jamar Hamilton top scored with 54, while Terrence Ward made 32 and Jeremiah Lewis 31. Dennis Bulai took 3 for 46, while there were 2 wickets each for Sheldon Cottrell, Pete Salmon and Nicholson Gordon. The unbeaten Hurricanes had defeated the Scorpions by 68 runs in their first leg match. The Scorpions are hoping to win their 2 remaining round-robin matches, including today's encounter against the Hurricanes, to advance to the semi-finals. And that's where we pull up stumps for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pula, and join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.